DesignerLogic offers a client portal for your clients to be able to log in and view different parts of the project you decide to publish. You get email notifications when your client does something, and your client gets email notifications when you publish something for them to see. To view a client portal, go to the project dashboard and then click on the client portal button. If you don't already have a client portal for your project, it will ask you to create one. If you've already created it, it will take you directly to your view of the client portal. As you can see here, this is the designer view for this client portal. This is where you manage everything that's going on for the client portal. Now we have many more videos. If you click on the how-to button here at the top for how to use the client portal, this is just an overview. Now you can have multiple projects on the same client portal if your client has more than one project. You can see each of the projects over here on the left. Up here at the right, you have your items, you have your calendar for the portal. Your items actually are just the products and services from your items list on a project, and it can tell you whether it's published or not to the portal. So all of these items mean that they're published on it because it says yes. If you want to see items not published yet on the client portal, just click on the not published link, and that will show you all the items that the client cannot yet see. So you can always decide exactly what you want the client to see on the client portal. There's a calendar, and the calendar can have things like installation dates, meetings at the client's house, and things like that. And you can add events to that calendar just by clicking Edit Add, and that will automatically send the client an email notification that there's a new event. You can see all the proposals on the client portal. You can see the invoices that the client can view on the client portal. And again, these are only published by you. The client cannot see anything that you do not yet publish. You can upload mood boards and publish them to the client portal, and that way the client can view mood boards in detail and approve the items that are on them. You can also upload files to the client portal and publish them so the client can access them. These are things like warranty information or care instructions for specific items, and when you publish them, the client can access them from the client portal. There's also a comment section where you can see comments back and forth about specific items from the client and your staff. And if you click on that item name, it'll go directly to that page. And you also will send email notifications to the client when you make a comment directed to them, or when the client answers you, you will get an email notification from them. To make a new comment, just go up to the Edit Add section and click on Comment, and that will create one for you that the client will be notified for. And finally, if you click on the View Portal button right here, this is going to take you to the client portal that the client sees, so you can see exactly what the client sees. And we have a separate video showing how to do that. But that's the way that you can make sure that the client only sees what you want them to see on their client portal.